My name is Maddie, and I go to Lincoln Middle School in Alameda. And my 4 R's are reuse, rot, reduce, recycle. Oh, and recycle. I made art, and I think it's important because it helps us fight climate change. And that's important because it gives a specific idea on how to use the 4 R's in a way that'll help us fight climate change. I made a game because games are fun to play and they're a good way to get important things into other people's minds. And games are something that people do together, and fighting climate change will require people working together. So the game is a good way to model the behavior that we need to stop climate change. I chose slides and ladders because people already know the game and they already know how to play it, so this would allow them to focus on the content. Slides and ladders are also a good game because for ladders, it shows us what to do, but for the slides, it shows us what not to do. We want to fight climate change, but sometimes we make mistakes, like we want to win the game, but sometimes we go backwards. In conclusion, my project is important because it explains how to help stop climate change and what to do, what not to do, and have fun learning while you're at it.
May the 4 R's be with you.